welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to another FabFitFun unboxing, y'all. Y'all know how much I love FabFitFun. I love telling y'all about the last FabFitFun box, and this is the winter seasonal FabFitFun box. So I cannot wait to show y'all what's in it. So let's get into it. So welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another FabFitFun video. How y'all been doing? I know how much y'all really enjoyed my last FabFitFun unboxing video, and they requested to sponsor this video again. So this video is sponsored by FabFitFun. I love FabFitFun so much. You can get so many good products in this box for an affordable price. So let me tell you about it.
Yeah, I love working with FabFitFun. As you can see, $200 value. You're getting it retail for $49.99, and when you use my code MsNicole, you're getting $10 off. You can customize your box. Here are some of the items that you can get. When I tell y'all, this is such an amazing deal. You pick your items, order the box, and then it's shipped to you. As you can see, you can either do an annual, which is $179, get 20% off when you prepay, or the seasonal box is $49.99. But remember, you're getting $10 off using the code MsNicole. You can either do credit card, or they have an option where you can pay with PayPal. So I'm telling y'all, I love FabFitFun. Again, I thank them for sponsoring this video. So let's get into it.
So as you all can see, FabFitFun is an amazing company. I love the concept of the product. I love, that they give back to certain organizations and things like that. And you can get $10 off your first FabFitFun box by using the code MsNicole. So let's get into all these goodies that are in the box, y'all. When I say I love FabFitFun, everything comes packaged so good. And I was so happy when they, agreed to sponsor another video. So I'm super excited about this one. So let's get into it. What it basically comes with is a little catalog magazine. And this one says stunning beauty looks, easy tutorials on what things you can do at home, because we all quarantined and things like that. They have things in this magazine. Common yoga moves, get your zen on. And on the front of this catalog is Katie Couric, and this is such a pretty picture of her. So in this magazine, you can get the iconic always pan. When using FabFitFun magazine as the promo code, you get 30% off, if you all can see that. So that's FFMAG for 30% off. This do-it-all wonder replaces 8 traditional pieces of cookware with one-of-a-kind design elements. So it kind of talks about the editor's notes, and then we're going to get into what's inside this box. Everything in your box will be valued at over $200, and you are getting it for $39.99, y'all. So let's get into it, and let me show y'all what I received. And then I'm going to give you all the prices, as I always do, of each item. The first thing that I'm excited to see, and I love to curl up on the couch and watch TV, is I have the Unhide little marshmallow blanket. And look at this, y'all. It's so freaking pretty. This says fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. And this retails for $65. So alone, you already on the first item, and it pays for itself. Oh y'all, this is so freaking soft. No animals were harmed by making this blanket. This is Lil Marsh 50 by 60 inch. Machine wash code, do not bleach, wash separately. Oh y'all, oh my freaking goodness. Oh, this is so freaking soft. I don't know if y'all can see that. The material, and then the back. Oh, this is so freaking soft. Like, I was able to pick. You can always customize your box to get the items that you want. Oh, this is so soft, y'all. I love the color. It's like a bluish gray color. Yes, FabFitFun, okay? Thank you kindly. The next thing I got was Rhythm of Rain. This is a hair mask and scalp detox, and I'm so glad I got this. A lot of you all know I'm wearing a sew-in, so tomorrow I'm getting my sew-in taken down, and I am going to be using this product. I'm going to give it to my stylist, and she can just, you know, condition my scalp with this. So this is a hair mask and scalp detox, and this retails for $28. And it says work through damp hair from roots to tips, leave in 2 to 3 minutes and rinse. For deep conditioning, set at 15-20 minutes before rinsing. And let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. This is a 20 milliliter or 6.8 fluid ounces. So I'm super excited about that. I'm so excited that I will be able to use this tomorrow and get my scalp all deep conditioned. Natural butters, oils, and botanicals work to restore scalp health while infusing locks with vital nutrients. So we're looking at $65 for the blanket, $28 for this. So far, with just the 2 items, this is already almost paid for itself, okay? So this is Limitless Lush Mascara. Lift, lengthen, curl with organic shea butters. When I say I needed a mascara, so yes, FabFitFun, thank you kindly for sending me this mascara. This mascara normally retails for $28. And when I tell y'all I'm so cheap, I be wanting a good mascara. So babe, thank you FabFitFun. Thank you kindly. I'm telling y'all, just with these 3 items alone, this box pays for itself. And y'all, this is cute. I don't have a mirror in front of me, but I've been told I have long eyelashes anyway. So you can see the difference. Oh, thank you, FabFitFun. Let me do the other one. Oh, I love this because I'm not good putting on lashes. That's not my special area. So, baby, thank you, FabFitFun. Thank you kindly for this mascara. You ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, okay? So we're looking at $65 for the blanket, $28 for the hair mask, $28 for the mascara. I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't get this box, y'all could customize and pick whatever products you want in the box. Like, I'm telling you, you know, if you're a mommy and you want to pamper yourself, because, you know, you're always taking care of your kids and you want to pamper yourself, just know you got your FabFitFun box coming. You curl up and enjoy it, and that's that. Next, a liquid eyeliner, which, y'all, I am not good at putting on eyeliner at all. But the eyeliner is $21, and it says this high-impact liquid eyeliner glides on easy and stays on for hours. Now, I don't know how to do it no eyeliner, so don't come for me in the comments. But y'all, this is 3.2 milliliters, 0.11 fluid ounces. So I know eyeliners help your eyes pop. So yeah, y'all, as y'all can see, I don't know. Okay, as y'all can see, don't come for me, okay? As y'all can see, don't come for me, but I can, you know, practice a little bit with this. But you know, so I'm telling you, your girl tried. So this is gonna be a little bit better for me than, you know what I'm saying, sticking a pencil in my eye. That's a little bit better. I'm proud of myself considering I don't know what I'm doing. But so we're gonna get into it. Murad. Oh, this is such a good product. This is the Rapid Collagen Infusion. I've been wanting to try this because y'all know I turned 40 January the 10th, baby. And I'm trying to keep my skin looking good, okay? I always get told, girl, you don't look, y'all, you almost almost 40? Why, yes, I am. So this Murad, y'all, retail price $78. You getting all this stuff for $50 in this box. With my code, MsNicole, give you $10 off. These 4 products, actually these 5 products alone. Come on, y'all, Murad. This, so the direction says, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 2 hours. Use AM or PM massage over neck, face, and chest. And this is dermatologist developed. Y'all. When I tell y'all, I don't have no wrinkles yet. But I feel like, you know what I'm saying, a lot of stuff happen when you turn 40. So, this is going to help me out. Oh, FabFitFun, this winter box is hitting, okay? The next thing we got is a daily facial dry brush for radiant looking skin. This product is vegan. So, baby, FabFitFun, always make sure they, you know, use products that are good for the environment. The blanket was not, no animals were harmed while making it. This is vegan, and this brush retails for $20. It says use the daily brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffiness. Now, I'm definitely going to be using this on my forehead because I get dry spots on my forehead. Baby, this box is hidden. Like, if y'all don't use my code, MsNicole, and go get y'all a FabFitFun box, like, I'm not playing with y'all. Like, get y'all a FabFitFun box and freaking thank me later. So, oh, it's so cute and compact. You just get to rubbing it on your face. You know, I got a little makeup, so I don't want to get my brush dirty. But it's so cute and compact. And you could, you know, put it, if you travel, you can put it in your little toiletry bag or whatever. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The next thing we got is that, you know, since I haven't really been carrying a purse or whatever. I carry like a little fanny pack or like a backpack type thing. But this is like a credit card holder. And this is a below the belt, a faux case to store all your credit cards, y'all. So this is a little wallet. If you don't want to carry your purse, it stores all your credit cards, and it's $35. Like, that's super cheap. And I have not really been wanting to carry a purse lately because I got to get home and sanitize everything. But y'all, this is so cute, and I freaking love the color. Look at it. So you can put, you know, a lot of cards in here. It's got an inside compartment. It's got a back if you want to put some money in here. It's so cute. This is really cute. It's faux leather, but it's cute, y'all. So this normally retails for $35. So look at all this stuff we got in here so far. And I ain't even done yet, y'all, okay? I'm not even done yet. Also, you're going to get, with HelloFresh, you're getting 9 free meals, including free shipping on your first box. So this is a plus because I don't really be wanting to go to the grocery store. And last but not least, I don't have cable, and I've been missing a lot of stuff on HBO. So I'm getting 14 days free trial of HBO Max. So yes, I'm going to be taking advantage of that. And then also, ooh, half full or half empty, there's always room for more wine. Yes, y'all. Hey there, I'm Lazy, your wine concierge with Bright Cellars, the monthly wine subscription built by 2 MIT grads that matches your wine to use an easy 7-question taste test. So basically, you go in here, and because we're glass half full kind of people, we've included a scratch-off box card, have some codes for $45 off your first box. So I'm definitely gonna be scratching that so I can give me some wine or whatever. So yes, as y'all can see, FabFitFun is gonna give you some amazing things, and you can choose from so many different products. They have like the blanket, champagne flutes, a tea seed elixir, Kate Spade stud earrings, teeth whitening kit. You can get a robe, some ceramic mugs. You can get eye balm, a Lucky Brand scarf. Like, the possibilities are endless with so many of the different products that you can pick. You can get a headband, cabin socks. You can get a cutting board set. Like, the possibilities are endless, and everything in that box will be retail at $200, and you can get it for under $40. So yes, make sure you use my code MsNicole, which will be in the description box, as well as all the links that will take you to FabFitFun, so you can get your FabFitFun box too. And again, I just thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting. Thank you, FabFitFun, for sponsoring this video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.